Let me remind myself. Yeah. So,
Yeah, I do notice that mat and tat, and I was going to ask you, like right now, you did point out in the class, but yeah, I want to know. I don't know, maybe I missed it. What does that? How should I understand this?
how should you understand what?
Mat and tat. Krishna, why is he saying mat and tat? Why not? Meaning, there's no difference, mat and tat.
All right. So Krishna already has said, Kshetrajñan chapi mam vidhi. Hey, you are me, he already said. So if you are me means now he can, wait a minute, what is this? Yeah. So you are me. So therefore, because here Ishvara is used up, no. He used the word Ishvara. He did not say aham. He doesn't say aham in the previous shloka. Sarvabhutanam Ishvara, the master of all beings. And therefore, Tat Prasadat, he says, Tameva Sharanam, because immediately the shloka is falling. He could have said Mameva Sharanam Gacha. He could have said that.
Right,
He's
right.
going to say that. That's going to come again, by the way. It's going to come. When is it going to come? Sarvadharman Parityajya Mamevam Sharanam Vraja. This game is going to go on. He, like this. That's the beauty of it.
So just accept it. There's no difference. Like it's
There's no
just play of
difference.
words.
Ishvara, yeah,
It's
no,
just
not play. I mean, Ishvara is Krishna. Therefore,
right.
don't look at Krishna as this person with a peacock feather on his head and then having a float. Not that person it is.
Ah, hmm. But that is applicable even when he's saying mama, right? Mat, when he's saying that.
Say, Mama, so it's less obvious. It is less I mean, for us, it is. We think it is obvious because we are Advaita Vedantis. But that's not the way Vishishta Advaitis talk. No, I don't know. I want to see how Velukudi Krishnan translates Ishvaraha. I really want to see it. I mean, we can learn something from that. They have a particular ways of explaining these things. So yeah,
This
grammatically, it's going like that. Grammatically, Tat Prasadat is correct because he's referring to Ishvara. Elsewhere, Mat Prasadat. Yeah. What was the other point?
the second point I just wanted to. I think you will appreciate the ahankara. So Swami Tadatmananda, in his lecture, he said that he was a man. He was the manager for a few years in Arsha Vidya Gurukulam. And as a manager, he used to hear a lot of problems. So people would come and then there was this one incident where it was very nasty. And so he just didn't know what to do. So he went to Puja Swamiji and he was very disturbed by that problem, Swami Tadatmananda. So Puja Swamiji said, is the did the whatever the man, however he presented, was it directed to you or the manager? So he said that cleared me. From that on, I didn't have any problems.
That's a good one. So, which means what? The one I am talking to is the manager or is you? Is Swami Tadatmananda? Good. Raji, please. Prasad.
Okay. Mahodaya, why in South India, when you say Ishvara, it refers to Shiva? What is the reason?
See, Har Prasad ji.
Because I'm Haraprasad. You know.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Harihi versus Haraha. There's always two poles are there. One is North Pole, another is South Pole. And so, see, Vishnu temples and all we did not have. It is all Ishvara temple only. Shiva temple only we used to have. And then Vishnu and all came much later. That's what I hear. And everybody seems to agree with that. And so temple itself means Ishvara. Ishwaran Kovil. That's what it is. Then later on, all kinds of temples and all came. Nothing wrong about it. Of course, it's all good only. And so maybe that's the reason. Ishvara Mandir, Ishwarka Mandir. And then later on, Vishnu Mandir, Devi Mandir, this, that, etc. is always there. So that could be a reason, Haraprasad. I don't know the exact thing. I'm speculating now. Okay. So then that Ishvara word is continues to remain with Shiva. And then
So you are saying there were more Shiva temples, but what? I mean, why Shiva is equated to Ishvara?
Shastram only. Shastram. Ishvara. So the word Ishvara is used. And Brahmaji does not get this status. Vishnu could have gotten the status. There are a lot of stories about Brahmaji, why Brahmaji doesn't have any temples. Like this, there are stories. So no, I mean, Shastram keeps saying Ishvara, but no, I need to look into that more.
That verb ishate, ishishis. See, it comes in Kathopanishad also.
But north also there are a lot of Shiva temples. I mean, north also, I know at least in Delhi, the moment you say Shiva is Shiva, Ishvara is Shiva only.
It is
I
there
don't know
in
about the rest of the north, but
Yeah.
at least I know in Delhi.
it is there in
So,
the
right.
I just
Rudram
So
also.
the question is why. And
Yeah.
so the question is why. So we agree with that now, that Ishvara temples were the primary, the only, probably even the only temples those days. We can even say only. I think we can push. And
Rudram calls Ishvara Shiva.
Ish dhatu. Ish dhatu. Ish. So Aishwarya, and then Varach Pratyaya is there. The very important Pratyaya for us. Varach. Varach means complete. Complete. That Aishwarya, everybody has Aishwarya. Everybody has some Aishwarya. Beauty is there. The Ishvara's little Amsha is there. Okay, everybody has a beauty, has a skill, has something that makes them unique. Okay, but that Aishwaryam is one type of Aishwaryam. But Ishvara is not of that nature. Varach is a suffix which, if you put it, whatever dhatu you are putting Varach to, will give the meaning of complete maximizing of that dhatu.
maximum. Okay.
Complete, full. So Ishvaraha means Sarvajnaha, not Alpajnaha. Ishvaraha means Sarvashaktiman, not Alpashaktiman. Like that,
Right.
that Bharat Pratyaya is important.
So
So
that pratyaya attached to what makes it complete as Ishvara?
that Var is the Pratyaya.
Var is the pratyaya. Okay.
Varach is actual Pratyaya. Varach becomes Var, and that joins with Ishvaraha. That
I
joins
see.
with that joins with Bhaswaraha. What is Bhaswaraha? Hey, Bha means to shine. Bhaswaraha means shining. You can't even say it is so bright that it's complete brightness. Bhaswaraha.
Got it.
Actually, they say no, Shanishwara is the only one who gets the name. Of course, he's Shanaischarati iti Shanaischaraha, but Shanishwara only gets that Ishvara prefix, suffix added to his name, like that also it's said. But actually, he is Shanaischarati iti Shanaischaraha only. Wait, he mandam charati iti. But he is also called Shanishwaraha. He is the only one attributed with that Ishvara attribute.
Only when, only one among who among
The
what?
gods, who has that Ishvara added to his name.
Okay.
Maybe people are scared of it.
It's so powerful.
So they
Powerful.
added a Ishvara name to.
So that's what it is. The sense, if you want to give a sense of completeness, fullness, greatness, absoluteness, then you put the Varach Pratyaya.
The ultimate. So and also that Vara is added, no, Naravara, Gajavara, whatever it is. When the Vara is added, he is the top notch. That is also there, no? Naravara.
Hey, wait. No, wait. Yati Varaha. Okay. Yativar,
Yeah.
we say.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if that is, no, Yativar, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if, see, Yativar is, that Vara is giving honor, the honorable Yati, something like that. I have to check this. I really don't know. This is I doubt it. Okay, please look into that. Not now.
Naravara means he is the best among the humans. That is what it means. No, Naravara. Or
Yeah, correct.
Legend.
But best versus complete are two different things. I want to be sure that we don't confuse these two. So you may be right. You may be right, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, like bridegroom is called Vara, but that's not means is complete or anything.
Correct.
It's more
correct.
of a honored thing.
That's what I'm saying. I'm thinking, Hemaji, please, if you look into it, please, and let me know. I want to know the answer to that. If you're
Okay.
sure, that's good. I mean, I'm not saying you're wrong, but if,
No.
I want to.
This is all bits and pieces. I'm just sharing my what little I know. I may be wrong. So if
So
I'm
let's
wrong,
say,
I'm sharing my ignorance with everybody. If I'm right,
let's
I'm
put it in the
sharing my knowledge.
pending. Let's put it in the pending category. Okay.
So on Haraprasadji's question, in Vadakanathan temple in Trishur, we have the Vigraham of Shankar Narayanan.
Shankar and Narayan, both. One person has one.
So in
No, but in
Tirunelveli, it is
Kerala, there
always
are a
Shankar
lot of
Narayanan.
places
No?
you have Shankaranara.
Tirunelveli, it is always Shankar Narayanan. All the people from Tirunelveli have the name Shankar
Yeah, in
Narayanan.
Kerala, a lot of temples are Shankaranarayanan. This there.
Actually, in Tamil, they say, no, Ariyum, Aranum, Onnu, the Ariyadho and Vaila Mannu.
Correct.
That wrote MD
We
Rama
also
wrote
have,
a
we also have Harihara Putra sitting in Shabarimala.
Harihara.
Harihara Putra.
Yeah, that is because, yeah.
Good.
There is Shivaraman also there.
Correct, Shivaraman.
There's a
Shivaraman.
old Telugu song, Naravara Kuruvara, when representing Arjuna.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Naravara o Kuruvara, representing Arjuna, addressing Arjuna.
Yeah, there is a song like that.
Yeah.
Even I remember that song, I think.
O Naravara o Kuruvara.
No, I remember. I think it's from an old Telugu movie or something. Yeah.
It is Nartanasala.
Correct.
Krishna himself
Okay.
said Vasudevam Sarvamiti, no? So there Vasudeva, here Ishvara. So he has balanced it.
No, but here Ishvara is pointing to somebody else. He doesn't say I am Ishvara. He says Ishvaraha Sarva Bhutana. Otherwise he would have said Mat Prasada. He says Tat Prasada.
That's Prasada.
Aniruddha.
So, Guruji, from 58 onwards, he brings in Ahankar, Krishna, right?
Okay.
So I'm kind of reading the 58, 59, part of 60 as saying that if you give in to Ahankar as opposed to Karma Yoga Buddhi, you are doomed.
We can say that. Yes.
Yes, because Because what that is saying is that if your ahankar takes over, you will do what your swabha will make you do, but with the wrong attitude. And your karma will now start binding you, which means you are in the cycle. We don't have to go anywhere else, like, give up the battle or whatever. But if your buddhi yoga is brashta, because you didn't listen to me or you don't want to listen to me, so I think I kind of read all those shlokas as saying that buddhi and karma, buddhi yoga, karma yoga, if you deviate from that path, there is basically all these last 17 and a half chapters are gone, is sort of how I'm looking at it. Yes?
Yeah, no, definitely. Because Shabda, another way to look at it, Shabda Pramanam, you have to allow the Pramanam to work. If I
Yes.
say, if I say Ahankara, I can figure it out.
Yes.
Naisha
Yes.
Tarkena Matirapane.
Exactly. Ahankara will wipe out everything. Correct. And then on top of Ahankara, your Subhava and your skills and your all that archery, everything will come into play.
Because Ahankara, the last thing Ahankara will do is something that will finish itself off. Okay?
Finish, yeah.
Ahankara will not allow that to happen. Therefore, Sharanagati is important.
Yes. That's kind of how I'm reading those three shlokas. Right. I just
That's also, yeah. Yeah. Okay, Maheshji's video is frozen or
No.
no, he's there.
I didn't hear it. Okay. Yamaji, my question is, many times during this 18th chapter of Gita, we said that we said about karma phala. Karma we talked of quite a bit, and we said Ishvara is a karma bala dhada, right? Yet Krishna himself said somewhere that I am only an adhyaksha, means I am only a facilitator. Based on your karma, you get what you deserve, so to speak. So if that being said, and we also said some places that Ishvara doesn't have free will, or God doesn't have free will. If that is so, why do we call him karma bala dhada? He's not giving anything.
He is Karma Phala Data until I understand Ishvara. Once I understand Ishvara, what he says is correct. Then everything is Ishvara, including you.
Yeah.
Who is to give phalam to whom? Like that, if you start asking, then we are talking.
Yeah.
There is no data, there is no danam, there is no dattam. Really speaking. It's all vyavaharika. If you artificially say, if you put a boundary around an object, then you can say it's an object. Okay. Because the boundary itself is tentative, then it's all gone. So what you say is correct. Is karma phala data. Ishvara is srishti karta. He is the creator of this world. Until you understand Ishvara. Creator is Ishvara, created is Ishvara, creation is Ishvara, whole process is Ishvara. Then who created what? How did this all happen? And Maya has to be brought in, etc. So, with respect to the created object, here is the creator. That's all you can say. But if everything is one, then the divisions are all gone. Triputi is gone. Then this data and all is tentative, becomes tentative. It's true until you know it is vyavaharikam. It is paramarthikam until you know it is vyavaharikam. How about that?
Okay.
Yeah, correct. So that's right. So none of the words we use have to be taken absolutely. It's
Yeah, I know
all
we
changed.
keep mentioning this. I was wondering why.
Correct. That's the reason.
Okay. And another question is, Ramaji, this when we say everything is Ishvara or everything is Brahman, even insentient things are also Brahman.
Correct. Absolutely.
Okay.
Yes.
Because I know in chapter 4:24, he says, Brahma or the Brahma Havihi and all that, everything is the Homa is the place where it is done is Brahma and all that he says.
Correct.
So it
So that's
doesn't need not be a living being. Or
correct. So we analyze the body, mind, sense complex. We talk about Annamaya Kosha, which is the body, the gross body that is visible to us. Then we go to Pranamaya Kosha, then that is a pranas, which is subtler.
yeah.
Subtle. Then we talk about Manomaya Kosha, then we Vijnanamaya Kosha, which is the intellect. Okay, pretty much everything is covered. Then this Bhokta is there, Anandamaya Kosha, the final enjoyer is there. Bhuktetya Hurmanishinaha Katopurishad. And so then who am I? Am I this body? Annamaya Kosha? No, it's a Kosha. Therefore, what is a Kosha is a covering, so to speak. Therefore, that is not you. Then Anandamaya Kosha also you are not. You are not a Bhokta also. And who are you means the Atma we talk about. That is the body analysis. Then pot analysis is the world analysis. Pot. Pot is an insentient object. The example you gave. Pot I'm saying. Pot you analyze, there is no pot. Pot gives room to clay. Clay will give room to more and more finer things. Finally, what will be left is Brahma. And that Brahma cannot be different from Atma. There can't be two truths pitted against each other. Not possible.
Okay. Eventually, everything will go.
So eventually means in our understanding, eventually. Yeah.
No,
Correct.
I'm saying is when you subdivide further, go down from your example of clay, going to elements or atoms or whatever it is, eventually become further non-divisible or non-definable when becomes Atma.
The indivisible, self-existent entity, Vastu is Brahma. Now also it is the same thing. In my mind, it's not. In my mind, I have to see that truth. Correct?
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
Because my thinking was like Brahman is like you have to have a consciousness or conscience. That is not required.
Consciousness is not manifest in the pot. It is manifest in the body. And that can cause confusion.
Yeah, then
But
how
no.
can we compare? We cannot say Brahman is consciousness or Atma is consciousness, right?
Consciousness need not be manifest as conscious. That's the key. Otherwise, then what happens? What is the difference between the living body and the dead body? What is the
You're
difference?
talking about human body or any?
Yes, human body. Human living body and human dead body.
Yeah, that okay. That is consciousness, okay, or something which drives the body or keeps the body alive, which is Brahman.
So wait, slowly. What is the difference between these two? You can do it two ways. One way is what? Hey, correct. That which keeps the body alive is not there in the body anymore. Pranaha. So let's say prana. We say prana. Prana is not there. Pranam boithe we say. So all the respiratory system, that's Sukshma and all is not there anymore. Pranam is gone. But did Brahman go away? If we say no, Brahman can't go away because where will Brahman go? Brahman can't go. All pervasive Brahma can't go anywhere. Brahman is there, continues to be there. So then what happens? That Brahman, whose nature is consciousness, is manifest as what you and I call consciousness. That is a manifested, visible consciousness, which is different from the invisible consciousness. My body is conscious, I can say. How do you know it is conscious? Because I can feel, I can see, I can speak. So, really speaking, I'm not putting a finger on consciousness. I am giving you I'm using words which are all skirting around the actual consciousness. We can't define consciousness. I can say, okay, compared to the spot, I am sentient. This is insentient. That's all you can say. That's all you can say. But the underlying consciousness, we are not talking about. We're skirting the issue.
So go from a manifest to unmanifest.
Correct. That's why living, non-living, and also is a point of view only.
Yeah.
With respect to all these things, I am supposed to be a living being. And I can become a non-living being in a moment's notice, without a moment's notice also. ये क्या बात है? It's all changing so fast. So, but both are Brahman. Non-living body, Brahman. Living body is Brahman. Things are Brahman. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Thank you.
does prana establish a connection?
Again, what is the question?
Does prana establish a connection? We say prana has left the body. So is prana establishing a connection between consciousness and the body?
See, we don't. We can say it in a light manner because prana is Brahman. The departing prana is Brahman. The non-departing body is Brahman. The relatives of this dead body also is Brahman. Everything is Brahman. So prana need not make a connection between anything, or you can say, okay, there is some connection. Connection, what connection can between what and what? You can't say prana is connecting Brahman with the body. You can't say. That means there are two entities. Body is sitting here, Brahma is sitting. Then you need a wire to connect these two. That wire is prana. Like that, you can't say because there are no two entities. Brahma is not separate from anything. Right. So we have to be careful when we make a statement like that.
But from yogic aspect, we can say between mind and the body, not from the Advaitic aspect, but from the yoga perspective. Prana could be connection between these two.
Yeah, yoga. Yoga you can say. Because there, Dvaitam is there. Dvaitam is there. There everything is Satyam. Everything is Satyam. Prana is Satyam. Shariram is Satyam. Okay, everything is Satyam. So therefore some connections can be made. Between all different Satyams, connection is also another type of Satyam. Yeah. Hemaji.
On that Ganesha Pancharatnam, it says, Sureshwaram, Nidishwaram, Gajeshwaram, Ganeshwaram. Everywhere that Ishvara is added to that. There,
Correct.
what that Ishvara refers to.
Sureshwaram, Ganeshwaram, Gajeshwaram,
Nidishwaram,
Ganeshwaram,
Sureshwaram, Nidhishwaram, Gajeshwaram, Ganeshwaram, Maheshwaram Tamashre.
Tam Ashre, Tam Sharanam Gacha. Tam, there also Tam is coming. Yeah, Ishwaram. You can add Ishwaram anywhere, really speaking. Gananam Ishwaraha, Ganeshwaraha. Okay.
Mahan Ishwaraha, Maheshwaraha. Nidhinam Ishwaraha.
Mahaschasau Ishwarascha Maheshwaraha. There it is Karmadharaya. Here it is Gananam Ishwara is Shashti Tatpurusha.
Shashti Tatpurusha.
So we have to be very careful.
Nidhinam Ishwara. Nidhinam Ishwaraha.
So like that. So Samasa, we have to be careful. Yeah. Because Maheshwara is not Tatpurusha. Yeah, it is Tatpurusha, but Karmadharaya Tatpurusha.
Karmadharaya.
Not Shashti itself.
Mahancha asau.
Yeah. So Maha means all pervasive. Swapna.
A quick question, just following up with Aniruddha's thought process. Ahankara. So it is mamakara that needs that is being indicated, right? I mean, is mamakara is different from ahankara, no? Or is there
Yeah.
overlap?
When we use the two words ahankara and mamakara, then there is a difference between the two. What is the difference? All these people are my people. Mama, they are mama.
Mama.
Mama bandavaha. Mama bandavaha. So mama means, okay, they are not me. I'm not confusing myself with them. They are different from me, but they're as good as me. I mean, they're as good as me. They're my people, okay? And so that is mamakara. There is mamakara with respect to all those people. And I don't confuse myself with somebody else also. So I know that very well. So ahankara is very crystal clear. Who I am, where I have aham buddhi is clear. Aham buddhi is there only with this body. So in that context, aham and mama are two different things. Anything outside the parameter of the body, the skin of the body, is not me.
That Mamaka Pandavaschaiva, that Mamaka also the same. Sambandha.
Correct. So mamakara, he's saying.
Mine, me and mine. So Ahankara and Mamakara could be called as me and mine.
Yeah. Question is, yeah, they are different. In that context, they are different.
We are all IIM graduates.
Okay. So yeah, mamakara, when it is used, it is referring to people. Possessions. Attitude towards possessions is mamakara. Attitude towards myself is ahankara. Karta is aham karomi iti ahankara. But finally, they are connected. They are related finally. Why they are related? Because of ahankara only mamakara comes. Ahankara is a fundamental thought. Fundamental. Which only gives rise to all the other ideas. So first, when the person wakes up, see, in Sushuti, there is no thought. Sushuti, there is no thought. Even I thought is not there. I am sleeping idea also is not there during sleep. Not there. At least I am sleeping idea should be there, but even that is not there. Why? Because I thought itself is not there. I thought gone. It gone means what? It is there as a bija. That's why Karana Shariram is there. Bija, it is there. It can't completely go. If it completely goes, you know what? It may not come back. And Bhagavan has set it up in such a way that it won't completely go. It is there as a seed. It's also sleeping like this. Then when the eyes wake up, first thought that arises without our knowledge is I. I know who I am. Then all surroundings become familiar. Okay, I know all this place, etc. Then activity starts. Sankara is like that.
But isn't it? I heard. So I should have made notes, but just asking a doubt. So it is important to take care of the mamakara. I think it is easier. I'm just using the word easier loosely, but mamakara when one takes care of the mamakara, ahankara, I think that's a stepping stone towards ahankara, right?
Correct. So
Like this
correct.
is my son, when I'm able to have vairagya towards that, then I think appreciation towards the I, it's easier.
Working on mamakara is the first step. Then one can work on ahankara. Correct. Stepping stone. You already said it.
Okay. So here when Aniruddha ji was saying, so 58, 59, 60, so Arjuna is already done with mamakara. I mean, he's crossed that and he's just putting him, no? Yeah.
No, no, I don't think so. We should not read too much into all this.
Okay.
He's just saying, don't think through what you have to do. Think through. That's all he's saying. Yeah.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Yeah. Okay, what is that? 224 is what?
When you said
Mm.
starting of the class, you said he already said that they are all dead. Who are you? So I thought it was 224. Is that the one? You said
No.
no.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah. So, Mayayvete Nihita Purvameva. So, that where does that come? Mayayvete Nimitta Matram Bhava Sabhyasachin. It comes in maybe 11th chapter or something. 11th. Let's look up 11th real quick. Is it 11th?
Is it not Bhishmancha? There, not that part.
Yeah. So it comes 1133. Look up 1133. Okay. Look at 1133. You will see Tasmat Tamuttishta Yasholabasva Jitva Shatrun Bhunkshwarajyam Samriddham Mayaivete Nihita Purvameva. He's saying, Maya eva Nihita. They are already killed by me. That's what he's saying. I mean, literally, they're not killed. They're there very much in the battlefield. But the person who transgresses dharma is as good as dead. It's a matter of time when the physical body will go away. So Mayavete Nihita Purvameva. Therefore, Nimitta Matram Bhava Sabyasacha. Therefore, you be the instrument of that action. That action has to take place. And who better to be than you? Okay, that is. So that's what came to my mind at that time.
Savyasachin is such a lovely name. Bengalis keep Savyasachin. Sobyasachin. They say Sobyasachin.
Sabyasachi, correct. Very beautiful. Savya, you know what it means?
It means
What
left,
is
it
it?
means right, it means both.
Both hands are
Left or right or ambidextrous.
skilled in both hands.
Ambidextrous.
Ambidextrous?
Both it
Multidexterious.
means. No?
Okay. See, Savya means left.
Oh,
Sachin comes from Sachidat. Sachate means the person who's releasing arrows so well, even with the left hand, it seems. That guy is a Sach. So, what to talk about? The right hand, no need to talk.
But
Very
certain
good.
places, Sabya is also used as right, I understand.
Means, as I understand, means where it is used as right.
No, because in
No,
Raghu
ambidextrous,
Vamsha,
correct. Finally, it may mean ambidextrous. Okay, but I'm saying the meaning.
Savya Sachi, no, Savya also means right, I believe.
Oh,
Because we were discussing that Savyetara in Raghuvamsha, when Ravana's arrow hits Rama's shoulder, like that. So at that time, Savyetara, it meant the right shoulder. So Savya Itara, other than the left, there it meant, Savya meant only left. But at that time, there was a discussion going on, and Soumya Kalyanpur did say that, Savya also means right in certain contexts.
okay. I think she's correct. because Vajaspatyam, just now I looked up. First meaning is Vame. Vame means in the sense of left. Next meaning Dakshine cha. What is this?
There it says,
Suddenly you thought you understood, and suddenly you say what?
and the Lalita Sahasranama, it comes, Savya Dakshina Sevita, it comes.
Correct. So there Savya means left.
There, because Dakshina is there. So Sabya Dakshina with the
Right.
Lakshmi and Saraswati on both the sides, something like that.
Yeah.
In that context, it comes.
Very good. Okay, pause with that.
Thank you, sir.
ओ भगवते वासुदेवाय धन्वन्तरये अमृतकलशहस्ताय सर्वामयविनाशनाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय श्रीमहाविष्णवे नमः।